What if the very blood flowing through your veins could be quietly purified by simple foods mentioned thousands of years ago? Imagine if the fatigue, heaviness, or those unexplained health issues you sometimes feel aren't just random occurrences, but signals from your body that it needs a gentle cleansing. And what if the solution isn't complicated or expensive, but ancient, natural, and already within your reach? Today, we'll uncover the secrets of 6 biblical foods that have been quietly supporting health for generations. In ancient times, people didn't talk about detox the way we do now. Yet, they deeply understood the importance of keeping the body clean from within, not just washing the outside, but purifying the blood, the very life force. Biblical cultures relied on natural foods, gifts from the earth, to restore balance, remove impurities, and strengthen the body. Today, modern science is finally catching up, confirming that certain foods can support liver function, improve circulation, and help the body eliminate toxins from the blood. Let's explore these timeless secrets together. Our blood is the river of life, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every cell. But over time, it can accumulate impurities from stress, poor diet, and environmental toxins. Ancient people recognized that a healthy body starts with clean blood. They turned to foods that could gently support the body's natural cleansing processes. Today, we know that supporting the liver and kidneys is key to keeping blood clean. The foods we'll discuss have stood the test of time, offering gentle yet powerful support for your body's natural detox. Among the 6 foods we'll explore, one was used in sacred rituals, symbolizing purification and renewal. Another is a natural helper for your liver, the body's main filter. And one, often ignored today, may be one of the most powerful natural cleansers ever known. Each of these foods has a unique story and a special role in supporting your health. Let's begin our journey through these ancient secrets. Garlic was more than just food in ancient times. It was a form of defense. Workers, travelers, and healers relied on garlic to protect their bodies from unseen threats. Today, we know that garlic contains powerful sulfur compounds, especially allicin, which help reduce toxins and support liver function. Since your liver is the main filter for your blood, anything that helps your liver work better also helps keep your blood cleaner. Garlic's natural properties make it a true blood protector, just as it was in biblical times. Modern research confirms what ancient healers knew. Garlic can help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and support the immune system. Its unique compounds not only help your liver filter out toxins, but also support overall cardiovascular health. Including garlic in your diet is a simple, natural way to help your body cleanse itself from within. Whether raw, cooked, or as part of your favorite dishes, garlic remains a powerful ally for your blood and your health. Pomegranate is often mentioned in scripture as a symbol of abundance and renewal. In ancient times, it was used in rituals and celebrations, representing life and purity. Today, we know that pomegranate is rich in antioxidants, especially punicalagins, which help protect blood vessels and support healthy circulation. Its juice can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, making it a powerful food for cleansing the blood and supporting heart health. Modern studies show that pomegranate juice can help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol, and reduce plaque buildup in arteries. Its antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals, supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Enjoying pomegranate as a juice or fresh fruit is a delicious way to support your blood and overall health, just as people did thousands of years ago. Olive oil was treasured in biblical times, not only as food, but as a symbol of healing and blessing. Rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, olive oil supports heart health and helps reduce inflammation throughout the body. Its unique compounds, like oleuropein, help protect blood vessels and support the liver's detoxification processes. Using olive oil in your daily meals is a time-tested way to nourish your body and support clean, healthy blood. Research shows that olive oil can help lower bad cholesterol, improve blood vessel function, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Its antioxidants help protect cells from damage, supporting the body's natural cleansing systems. Drizzling olive oil over salads, vegetables, or grains is a simple way to bring ancient wisdom into your modern kitchen, supporting your blood and overall vitality. Figs are mentioned throughout Scripture as a symbol of peace and prosperity. In ancient diets, figs provided natural sweetness, fiber, and important minerals. Their high fiber content helps support digestion and elimination, which is essential for removing toxins from the body. Figs also contain antioxidants and natural sugars that provide gentle energy while supporting the body's cleansing processes. Modern nutritionists praise figs for their ability to support gut health and regularity. Their natural fiber helps sweep waste from the digestive tract, reducing the burden on the liver and kidneys. By supporting healthy elimination, figs help keep your blood cleaner and your body feeling lighter. Whether fresh or dried, Figs are a delicious, ancient way to support your body's natural detox. Lentils were a staple in biblical diets, valued for their nourishment and simplicity. Packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals, lentils help stabilize blood sugar and support healthy digestion. Their fiber content helps bind and remove toxins from the digestive tract, reducing the load on your liver and kidneys. Lentils are a humble yet powerful food for supporting clean blood and overall health. Today, lentils are recognized as a superfood for their ability to support heart health, digestion, and detoxification. Their unique combination of protein and fiber helps keep you full, supports healthy metabolism, and aids in the removal of waste. Including lentils in soups, stews, or salads is an easy way to bring ancient wisdom into your daily meals and support your body's natural cleansing. Barley was a foundational grain in biblical times, providing sustenance and energy. It's rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support digestion and help regulate blood sugar. Barley's unique beta-glucans help bind toxins and cholesterol, supporting the body's natural cleansing processes. As a versatile grain, barley can be enjoyed in soups, salads, or as a hearty side dish. Modern research highlights barley's ability to lower cholesterol, support heart health, and aid in weight management. Its fiber content helps keep the digestive system moving, reducing the buildup of toxins in the body. Adding barley to your diet is a simple, ancient way to support clean blood and overall wellness, connecting you to traditions that have lasted for millennia. Water may be the simplest, yet most overlooked blood cleanser of all. In biblical times, water was seen as a symbol of purity and renewal. It's essential for every process in the body, including the removal of toxins through the kidneys and liver. Drinking enough water helps your blood stay fluid, supports circulation, and allows your body to flush out impurities naturally. Modern health experts agree. Staying hydrated is one of the most important things you can do for your blood and overall health. Water helps transport nutrients, remove waste, and keep every cell functioning properly. By making water your main beverage, you support your body's natural cleansing systems and honor an ancient tradition of purity and renewal. Detoxification isn't about quick fixes or harsh cleanses. It's about supporting your body's natural ability to remove toxins and maintain balance. The foods we've discussed, garlic, pomegranate, olive oil, figs, lentils, barley, and water, work together to nourish your body, support your organs, and keep your blood clean. By choosing these ancient foods, you're tapping into a tradition of health that stood the test of time. You don't need complicated diets or expensive supplements to support your health. By including these 6 biblical foods in your meals, you're honoring ancient wisdom and giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. Simple choices, made consistently, can have a powerful impact on your blood and your overall well-being. Let these foods become a regular part of your life and notice the difference they can make. Recap: the 6 biblical foods that help cleanse your blood are garlic, pomegranate, olive oil, figs, lentils, barley, and of course, water. Each of these foods has a unique role in supporting your body's natural detoxification processes. By making them a regular part of your diet, you're not only connecting with ancient traditions but also supporting your health in a simple, natural way. Remember, true wellness starts from within, and sometimes the oldest secrets are the most powerful.